to part 2 of my sealing foam clay video. Today we're going to look at how those varnishes are holding up. In the last video I showed you how to apply those 4 different products. And I gave you tips on what's the right timing to apply the varnishes. So if this is something you want to learn or have questions about, I highly suggest to go back to part 1 and watch the video on it. All I did for the water test was just spraying the figure with some water and then wiping it off right after and just see what happens. So they all survived the water test. Surprisingly, the acrylic spray, where you barely see any coating, it did fine. Everybody survived. They will be laying on my dashboard for a few weeks and will be hopefully getting some sun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you, and I'll see you in the next video.